So I start. Slide down. So, going to all PC location and I hope you are doing well. And today I'm going to deliver PPT on the topic of Dubai and what is the three potential of Dubai, why three potential become different from other countries. So today I will speak on Dubai where vision become a skyline. So let us begin. So first is iconic structure. What is that? One is iconic structure. Nowadays everyone have dream. I want to go Dubai. I want to go Dubai. Whenever you go, whenever you ask from anyone, sir, what is your dream? Sir, I want to go abroad. And abroad, which country you want to visit? Sir, I want to go Dubai. So nowadays, Dubai is in a growing pace. So that's why everyone want to go there. Second is world class experience. Dubai is a business hub. On that place, world class companies, world class factories are coming there and establish new companies on that place. So Dubai is also world class experience about their like different iconic and skyline. Next is global business hub. I already mentioned most of the MNC companies are going there and establish their plant on that places because they know very well Dubai is a growing place and when we invest our money on that place definitely we will go we will get benefit on that place. So that's why they are going there and establish their plants. So this is my next slide. You can see on screen. Iconic structure and skyline. First is Burj Khalifa and downtown Dubai. Nowadays, Indian children and the person who come from 80s and more than 80s, everyone know what is Burj Khalifa and where is located. So generally Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai and is the biggest Burj Khalifa in the whole of the world. You can see Burj Khalifa from space because the height is Burj Khalifa is more than 800 meters. So it is beautiful, iconic, and building we can say. Second is downtown Dubai. In Dubai, one of the tallest Burj Khalifa and most of the different and beautiful malls are available on that place. People are want to go and visit and explore on that places because they are iconic and different places. When you will go there, you will learn something. When you will go there, you will see new things. When you meet people which in different mindset, so you learn many things on that places. What is Plum Jumeirah? A man-made island visible from space. Plum Jumeirah is an island you can see, you can visible from space. So it is a different and beautiful island is located in a Dubai. It's a museum of future. This museum belongs from Dubai, located in Dubai, and the name of Museum of Future. Stelas and still Arabic calligraphy, symbol of a forward-looking city. This museum is located in Dubai, and in this museum you can see the Museum of Future. Because in this museum the picture they are showing is they are representing future things. What is the future museum? What will happen? Next is world class tourism and experience. Nowadays, everyone want to go to Dubai and visit it because this is a beautiful and growing big place, growing big country, desert and coast. Nowadays, everyone have believe I want to go to Dubai and take a ride of desert coast and many things they want to do on that place. Like in shopping and entertainment. In Dubai Mall, many things is different from other country. Most things they belong from other country, and that place they are making, and they are different from other countries. They are iconic piece they are making. They are they they are different from other countries, and the price is not high like India. It's too cheap, and you can able to afford that prices. That iconic uh, stuff you can buy easily. Shopping and entertainment, global village on that place. Global villages are growing day by day. Technologies day by day. Technology occupied the whole Dubai. That's why Dubai is a beautiful and iconic uh, country in our whole country, in our whole world. Next is effortless access. In Dubai airport, in Dubai metro cities, you can easily access from one country to another country. On that airport, can easily access one country to another country, one place to another place. You can easily go one place to another place with single port. With single airport, you can go where you want to go. So that's why it's totally different from other countries. Next is global business and economic hub. Nowadays, everyone I already mentioned, everyone want to go there and establish their plant, because nowadays in a Dubai in a growing peak, and on that place many of the oil and fuel industry are established day by day. Many of the oil well are founding day by day on that place. That's why the economy is growing day by day on that place. Development are increasing, and many new things are doing on that place. Next is safety and stability. On that place, anything wrong happen and anyone, so you can on Dubai government take action within a hours on that place. Not hour, we can say within a minutes on that place. If any accident is happen, anything wrong will happen, so they take action within a minutes. So you will have to do not like in India we have to go uh, in a police station and write FIR. We have to give bribe, so we have to do many wrong things on that place. So that's enough. Bas. Pencil nothing on that. Fuzzy pencil nothing on that. चलो सर. Now it's your turn. आज तो पीपीटी बनाई है पीपीटी. Very good. मेरी मेरी बनाई. अभी तो हम आर्किटेक्चर को स्ट्रक्चर बोल रहे हैं. अभी तो आप आर्किटेक्चर को स्ट्रक्चर बोल रहे थे. क्या कह रहे हो? आर्किटेक्चर आर्किटेक्चर लिखा हुआ तो आप स्ट्रक्चर बोल रहे थे. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अरे वो तो मैंने ये मेंशन नहीं है कि जो आपकी पीपीटी में आप उससे वो तो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर खुद ने बोला था ना, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं बोला. आर्किटेक्चर. अरे आर्किटेक्चर भाई स्ट्रक्चर भी तो होता है. मैं तो स्ट्रक्चर बताया था ना. मेरे तो उससे कोई लेना ही नहीं था. मेरे को तो उससे कोई लेना ही नहीं था. हम तो मन में आया मैंने वो बताया स्ट्रक्चर था. न्यू डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर ऑन दैट प्लेस. अपने वैसे बाइक में ये चीज को डिमांड में बता रही है. नहीं ये स्टैंडर्ड साइज. हाँ ये डेल्टा व्यू गुजरात में. डेल्टा व्यू तो बहुत आईटी कंपनी है. देखो डेल्टा व्यू आईटी कंपनी जो आईटी इसमें डील करती है. उन्होंने इसमें भी डील करना शुरू किया. वो ऑलरेडी वो आईटी प्रोडक्ट्स में डील करती है. फिर अब तो बहुत ब्रांड्स आ गए. बहुत चाइना ने बाहर ला दी. चाइना है ये सब जो टेक्नोलॉजी है सब चाइना की. दिस इज ऑल द टेक्नोलॉजी. दो ही कंट्री इन चाइना पहले इन्हीं दोनों के पास है सेमीकंडक्टर चिप. आपको पता है जो ट्रेड मिल होती है इसको बनाने वाली 15 कंट्री है. ट्रेड मिल फिफ्टीन कंट्री ही नहीं करती मैन्युफैक्चर तो कोई भी कर लेगा उसमें जो चिप होती है ना वो सस्ती है तीन के पास तो तीन ही नहीं करते हैं चाइना चाइना ताइवान एक वो है स्पेन ताइवान का पता था चाइना का भी चाइना ताइवान इज द बेस्ट अगर आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाना है उसमें लगने वाली चिप ताइवान से बिना ताइवान के काम नहीं
फास्ट अगर भी आपने देखी होगी कंपनी किस तरह से ग्रो करी हो।
वो तो सर वहाँ वियतनाम की है ना
हाँ वियतनाम की।
वियतनाम वो वियतनाम की